I got a new knife. It's a LEATHERMAN Rev. Just got it today. I'm really impressed with it. It's got really good quality steel. It feels really solid. You know, it's like how every other Leatherman feels. It's high quality. It's got a nice blade on it. It's even got that locking mechanism, you know. So I know I haven't been posting much, but I figured this was something to post. So yeah. It's the LEATHERMAN Rev. If you want, I can post another video about it. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.